going on, guys? Crypto Mike here with the mic check 1 2 1 2. How are you guys doing today? Whoa! All right, so looking at this month in crypto, Gala is up 524%. Sand is up 103%. Bitcoin down 0.6%. Ethereum down 0.9%. Looking at the week, wow, BitTorrent is up 32%. Near is up 43%. CVX, I think that's Convex Crypto? Convex Finance. CVX. It's up 24%. How you guys doing today? Let's see. What's going on, CVH? Darcy, what's going on? How you guys doing? Tree burn. Cool. You burning trees over there, bro? You feeling pretty chill or what? What's going on? I like this music. Thanks to Mr. Brett. How's it going? Okay, so all right, this week crypto in review. Extra Randy today, buying the dips. Bro, I'm waiting. I sold off, I don't know, a little portion of my portfolio into U.S.D. I'm waiting. Let's go check out the chart. Let's check out the Bitcoin chart. I feel like we're gonna go down some more. I hope I'm wrong, but at the same time, it's like, let's just hurry up and do this thing. Let's just do it. You know, let's get over this bearishness. But we're still definitely on the macro. We're definitely in a bull trend. There's no doubt about that. Let's take a look at the Bitstamp chart here. Which is long, it's longer. It's been around a long time. Bitstamp US dollar chart. Better deals could be coming. Always good to have a cash position. I know that's something I've been struggling with, is keeping cash in my portfolio. So yeah, I mean, look, dude, this is so, people are so bearish, so dramatic. It comes down all the way to 40. Sure, it wicks down to like, well, here it wicked down to 42, but on some exchanges it went down to 40. I feel like we could be coming back down if we don't hold this support on the daily. It's basically starting to follow. I mean, the line I drew here, it basically tapped it, and I you know, that's exactly what I thought it would do. Tapped it, came down. And now it's gonna make it probably will make falling wedge, in my opinion. That's what I think we're gonna see. We'll see some sort of falling wedge being formed. See, it's coming. It came right. This is probably a good time to actually take a little profit, unless we see it. I mean, we probably won't see it blast through it, but if we do, and then it'll come down. You know, if it blasts upwards, which is unlikely at this point, because it's just forming lower highs and lower lows, basically. And I could see that happening until maybe the end of the year, you know, or even middle of next month. This is really, you know, it's tough to be in this position right now, because a lot of us have been waiting for so long for this blow off top, at least, or just, and so it's very stressful. You know, to be quite honest, it's very stressful to try to figure this out. But at the same time, it's like, okay, you know, we've been through enough ups and downs. I forgot. I'm gonna tweet this out. Let me see if I can. See, it won't even tell me that I'm live. Like, it won't even show me. It used to do that. Home. Subscriptions. I'm not subscribed to myself. Oh, XRP Bags is on. Let's go say hi to him real quick. Do 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 do. Soup bags. Good to see ya. I wish there was a like Scrooge McDuck or whatever that I could put. But there isn't. I mean, that's sure to catch his attention. Let's go. All right. I just wanted to say hi to him. He's always been supportive of me, so I should be supportive of him. Send him a little super chat. What the heck is this? I got my own music playing on. Oh, this is Gala? Hold on, just give me a sec, guys. Give me a sec. See. Galaverse. It is Gala. Imagine being there. That's freaking cool, dude. What a trip, man. It's like Tron. All right, I gotta get going with my stream here. But it's always good to show support for your friends. Okay. So, anyways, I was gonna put on my stream, but anyways, let's see. Let's turn that off. Let's go to here. Now, see right here. This is a resistance that, you know, honestly, like I'm sure some of the alts are up right now. This is where I would probably take a little profit, and if it'll probably come up to maybe 50,000. But I believe, you know, we see what's happening here. Dead cat bounce up. It might be up a little more. It might create an ascending triangle, pop. But I doubt it would go past 50K or 50.5. In my opinion, it's probably coming down to like 46,500. Which would be... And why do I think that? I don't remember why. There's probably somewhere along the way... Yeah, it's like right there. Yeah, it'd be like somewhere around here. So, and then it might be the end, or it'll just keep coming down. I mean, I think it's honestly, I really think it's going to come down even more and retest the wick. So in this case, on Bitstamp, it'd be like about 42,000. So I do think we're coming down to 42,000. We might even come down to like 39,000, which would be right there. And then we would go up, you know, within the next month or two. No, I don't want that. I'm getting over a little like cold or something. So like I'm not all there, but I'm mostly there. So the bottom I think would probably be like, it wouldn't go much past 40,000, and hopefully we don't see that. But the way we see this curve, and when we see the sentiment right now, sentiment is not very high. It's not very bullish. It's kind of bearish. It's actually really bearish. I mean, I haven't seen it this bearish for at least a year. When I'm looking at Twitter, when I'm looking at YouTube, even the most bullish YouTubers are becoming bearish. But I think it's a short-lived bear trend. It probably won't last more than a few months. and it could be setting us up, or like kind of a reset. It could be setting us up for a reset. Now, I don't think it'll come all the way down here, but if we do come down to 30K, that'll be kind of a reset, and it'll set us up for a very bullish, like mid, probably mid 2022, in my opinion. So, yeah, a few more months of accumulation is a blessing. Yeah, that's true, man. Yeah. Nah, Jeffrey, dude. If it goes down to 14K, that's gonna wipe everyone out. That would be terrible, dude. It'd be a long time to be holding cash, you know? Ugh. I can't even imagine that. That would be so. It would be like the start of a bear market, you know? We would be in a bear market for a while. Look, guys, it's people are so bearish. It didn't even come lower. If it comes lower, like, I don't think it's going to come lower than that. I don't think it's going to come lower than 42K. Let's see. So, yeah, with that said, I don't think we're going to see too much of a bear trend, but I do think in the short term we're going to see more bearishness, I would say. So I did stable up, you know, I don't know, maybe 15-20% of my portfolio. It's not too much, but it's enough that if we drop again, I'll be really happy I bought. And I'm going to wait till the bottom. Like, I'm going to wait till a confirmation. I'm going to try. It's tough to hold U.S.C. or USD. It's really tough for me. I just want to buy crypto. I just want to buy and buy and buy. Now, like, I did sell some my meme coin, which I'm telling you guys, that's probably the next big, like, meme coin, you know? They're coming out with, they have announcements, and I think they're going to be on Binance. But I sold some, and then I bought some lower, so now I have more, and I'm really happy I did that. Because it's one of my biggest bags. And, you know, if any of you guys have any, just hodl that shit. Just hodl it. Oh. You could probably tell in my voice I had, like, some kind of sinus thing. Feeling weird the last few days, but I feel better today. Yeah, so the meme coin. If any of you guys are in that, I'm telling you, just hold it. You know, just wait. I think that thing is going to blow up. It's been a long time coming. And now they're saying, I hope you're ready for it. I hope you're ready for it to go up. That's what they're saying. I don't know. But, you know, if none of you guys are in it, then there's no point in talking about it. But this is probably the one most likely to give me my my Tesla. Since the Tesla Roadster isn't out, I'm going to probably have to buy, which is fine because it's nice. Probably going to have to buy the Tesla Model S Plaid, which is beautiful. And then whenever the Cybertruck comes out, I'll probably want to buy that too. But by that time, I'll be like better situated to buy it. But I'm telling you, you guys, the Tesla Model S Plaid is freaking awesome. I love it. We'll go to Tesla real quick. I want to show you. And I'm sure some of you guys have been looking at Teslas too. Custom order. I'm going to get it fully decked, like fully loaded. So it'll be kind of like this. It'll be white. It's going to have to be white. I love a white car. It's so clean and slick and modern. It starts at about 100K. But no, I want the Plaid. Yeah, Plaid. Plaid starts at around 123K. Because it goes 100, it goes 0 to 60 in like just under 2 seconds. It's the fastest like commercially available car on the planet. But I'm gonna like most likely do a paint job. Maybe get a better white, because you know, from what I'm hearing, Teslas don't have the best paint jobs. Okay, so how many meme you hold? I'll tell you what, I'm a meme millionaire. That's how many memes I hold. At least I'm a meme millionaire. And if it goes to $1, I'm gonna be a USD millionaire just from that. And that's the whole thing. It's like that's the whole thing. It's like the coin that makes fun of itself. It's an interesting meme coin. I really like. Now, if the developers can pull it off right, dude, this thing can literally be the next Shiba Inu. I'm telling you, and it could blow up like you've never seen anything blow up before. We can go to the Telegram real quick. Click for $1 meme. See, like everyone's talking about a $1 meme. It's at 1 cent right now. It's just under 1 cent. It's like 0.081, I think. So it's cheap. It's cheap right now. But I don't know. You know, we'll see. It's a risky play. It's a risky play, but I've been talking about it for at least a year on my channel now. So oh look, cool. Top gainers last 24 hours. Oh, it's on Polygon too, I guess. I didn't know it. I didn't know it was on Polygon, but they're gonna come out on Phantom. It's gonna be like the top Phantom coin. And they're coming out with a new platform, like it's called Memex. And it's gonna be cool. I'm stoked. But, you know, since I have a big bag of this, like any kind of price movement it makes just blows my bag up. It's freaking awesome. And it's still illiquid. So buying it now and selling it when it becomes liquid after it gets listed on Binance, you know, that's what I'm gonna do. You know, I'll take little profits here and there. Tornadoes, oh shit. You can tell I'm kind of sick. You can tell I'm a little like fucked up. All right, so supercomputer, what's up, Jeffrey Dahmer? I guess welcome. I don't know why you would name yourself after Jeffrey Dahmer. Dow crash next week. Yeah, I'm feeling like the like Bitcoin will definitely follow the Dow, and that's why I am kind of stabling up. This might not be a bad time. I'm not, you know, I'm not saying it's a good time, but it might not be a bad time when we look at the 4-hour chart and we see, I mean, yeah, it's curving up, sure. It's curving up, but it keeps dumping, you know, and we're really not doing anything. Even if it's forming a flag, it's more of a bear flag than a bull flag. However, you know, Bitcoin has been known to just surprise everyone. But if it was gonna hold, you know, I would think that it would dip to here, to this point right here, and maybe go up from there. But no, it's been under, and it's been fighting. It is creating a sort of a ascending triangle, though, in a way. So it's really hugging the top of this resistance. So it actually could pop. I don't know if it's gonna go above this what is it, the 50-day moving average or not. It could pop up to the 100-day moving average here, which is, it would make sense because it's right at the resistance that we haven't been able to overcome yet. If it did, then yeah, it's just gonna go, in my opinion, I keep saying that, but it's gonna probably go sideways or down in the next few weeks. And then maybe by the end of the month, it'll go up again, but it'll probably hit the top of this. You know, it'll probably go to 56 or something. You know, we could blow up possibly from down here. I don't know. You know, who knows? No one knows. But all I know is it's probably not going to dump too much. It's probably not going to go up too much. And therefore, it'll be mostly sideways, in my opinion. I keep having to say that because, like, I don't want people thinking, like, oh, he's telling me definitely this is what's going to happen. You said this, Mike. What happened? Like, dude, it was my opinion. And there, you know, I'm not liable for you making any big mistakes or anything. I'm just telling you my opinion, you know? Nothing wrong with that. You can take it for what it is. It's an opinion. Dude, everyone keeps asking me about a casino coin, and I don't think much of it. I really don't. I don't care about it much. I have a tiny bit. It might be because I don't like casinos in general. You know, I just haven't really vibed with casinos. Not a big like gambler kind of person because I've lost money anytime I've been to a casino. Um, I mean that's gambling. People call me a gambler because I'm in crypto. Not really, dude. I mean, maybe like in a way, but not really. I'm doing enough research. I have enough faith that the when you're gambling, most of the time it's luck based, you know? But I mean, of course there's skill in there, but you don't like you can do research, I guess, if you're a really serious gambler, you can research like the best way to do something, but this is not bullish. It came below this resistance. If it was a fake out, it would have come down and then came right back up above this resistance and created a support out of it. But it didn't. It came up, it bounced off the resistance and it came back down. And it could easily create a falling wedge just like back here. That's what happened back here. It could do the same thing, and that's kind of what I'm thinking it'll do. Okay? You see this big wick down right here? It bounced up just like it did recently. Okay? It's basically following this verbatim. What happened in May. We sharply wicked down, and then over the next few months, it took a few months. It was terrible. You know, I'll be honest, this year has not been as exciting this year was not exciting. Like last year was way more exciting for me. This year just wasn't as exciting. As far as price wise, you know, charts and stuff and alts. Maybe if I was heavily invested in the metaverse, yeah, it would have been more exciting. But it did. It wicked down. It came back up, bounced, hit this resistance, came back down. We could see a sharp. We could see a sharp downtrend in the short term, just like this. And what it did was it created a falling wedge, a massive falling wedge from all the way up here. There. Hold on. No, it started over here. Just give me a sec. I'll show you exactly what happened. Yeah, from there, and then there. And then you saw all the fake outs. Basically went like that. And they all bounced on the single point here. There was 3 different inflection points right here. And it bounced right in the middle of all of them. And we didn't know this was an inflection point. We didn't know this trend was starting yet, but it did. It started a trend, a long-term trend, upward, this line right here. And it started creating that big rising wedge, which is, in retrospect, we should have been paying more attention to that. And honestly, guys, it's still high enough. It broke down from this rising wedge, which is usually a bearish pattern. Broke out of it, came down. It could even come down more. It really could come down to 30K. And I wouldn't be surprised. I would be kind of like, I don't know what, I would have whatever emotions there are, but I'd be just like, fuck, damn, we're going to have to wait a whole nother year, But at the same time, that would be kind of nice because it won't be over yet. Who knows? Maybe it's not over. Maybe it will never be over. Maybe we're in a long time bull trend that's just not going to quit. If we'd made a double bottom here, that would be really cool because then that would be a good confirmation. Even if we came down to like 20K, we came down to like 20K. Someone said 14K. if we did that, it could really go up from there. But, you know, I would want some cash definitely to buy the bottom. So I'm thinking about just throwing my cash into Vesper's grow farm, and then I can dollar cost average Ethereum on the way down, because it basically prints out Ethereum for you while you're staking your USDC. And then in a bear market, you just have a stable coin, and it's you're earning Ethereum or whatever else they have on Vesper, and then you're basically dollar cost averaging on the way down. And then when you can confirm a bottom, you can sell that, put it in, you can buy Ethereum or whatever, and then dollar cost average USDC on the way up. So it's pretty cool. That's one of the reasons I like Vesper. I'm sure there are other protocols that you can do that with, but it's just so much easier with Vesper. So until we go above this line, we're not going to be bullish. We need to really surpass this line here. Green line, we'll just make it a green line. We need to surpass that and stay above it. You see, we tried to get above this long-term trend line that started back here. Started way back here in April. Hold on. Yeah, it basically started right here. Came under, hit the top, right? Okay, came under. It hit the top right here. Came back, but then it blasted through, which a lot of people thought was going to be very bullish, but the rise was just way too quick and too fast for us to stay above it. And so we did stay above it for a while, and when you see a rounded top, that's always a bad sign, which is why I kind of sold up here. I knew we were seeing a bad sign right here, and it's even worse. It could come down to whatever that is, 41, 40. It's probably going to come down to 42 at least. But then probably sometime in 2022, if we can get above this long-term trend line and stay above it, then we will, then we'll be bullish. But at the same time, maybe Bitcoin is dying, and maybe we won't see it go very high. I mean, it's only been around 10 years, and yet we think it's like the king. And honestly, Ethereum is only like twice, it's only half as much of the market cap. So it could easily, flip Bitcoin. It doesn't take that much money. And the way it's going, Ethereum looks like it's going to flip Bitcoin. So I'm pretty darn sure it will. And then that'll create a whole new opportunity for alt holders. It'll show the world that, yeah, it's not just Bitcoin that people like, or people want to buy. It's altcoins too, So I think Bitcoin was just the introduction for most people. And now Ethereum is being used for NFTs, which is a huge topic right now. Which is like, I feel bad for all the people getting into NFTs right now. It's like most people have no idea what they're doing. They're trying to chase trends, and that ship is pretty much sailed already, in my opinion. And most people are going to get wrecked. Anyone who's coming in solely for the purpose of buying NFTs, those NFTs are going to be worthless. I mean, worthless. I don't know. It's just, it was a big trend. It's still kind of a trend. It's a big topic on Google Trends. See, look at that. That's Ethereum against Bitcoin this year. And it just goes up. This whole year, it's been basically going up. Slowly but surely, it's been going up. I don't know why I had that. Ugh. Yeah, it's all groggy and weird. But again, though, we saw like last year, we saw Bitcoin going up even though volume was going down. So, but it still surpassed its all-time high. And look at this perfect W. And it's just going and going and going. It might come back down to yeah, it has a little bit more to come down, probably after Bitcoin dumps, I would assume. If Bitcoin does dump again, we might come it might come down a little more. So Pi Network. Wait, what's Pi Network? Not the Mine Pi one, right? Because if that's so, nah. Top 10? What are you talking about, top 10? You're not talking about this Pi Network. Pi Network. Are you talking about this one? Hold on. Because I have a ton of that stuff. Because I keep mining. Because I have faith that maybe it'll be listed. And like I've been ridiculed. And like, hold on. Is it the same one though? Yeah. Pi Network Digi. Yeah, it's the same one. Okay, so 29 million holders. Sheeb only has 1 million. Dude, I'm telling you. Pi on top of BG123 Christmas tree. I don't think that was Pi, CVH, was it? I don't think it was. But BG123 has kind of correctly. I mean, look, you know, he had Satoshi's vision on one of his puzzles, BSV, and Craig Wright just won his court case. He still had to pay 100 million, but they were asking for like billions and billions. So 100 million wasn't too much compared to what they were wanting from him. Damn, you could tell. I could tell now I'm like out of it because I just don't have the energy and focus. Let's see. Let's check it out. Yeah, the internet really does not have a lot of Barrel Guy stuff on it. I'm probably gonna have to like do another video because there's been a lot since then, and even though the art style changed and all that, there's still a lot to unpack. Christmas puzzle. Let's see if it comes up. That's not the pi symbol. That's like Omega or something, isn't it? Oh, come on, give me a break. Whatever. Cool, Aiku. You're on my earning team. Sweet. Yeah, I'll most definitely do a giveaway once we do that. I even put up like a request. You know, I was like, hey, can we make it so that our earning team earns, or so we can give away like a certain amount to our earning team? And they ignored my request. So I'm like, whatever, dude. I'm just going to keep mining. Grasshopper. Focus. Christmas photo. Man, the internet has no idea what BG123 is. Or maybe it's just Google. Bearable. Riddles. Persevere. Well, we sure have done that, haven't we? We've been persevering. Oh my gosh. Okay, whatever. It's freaking annoying. Staking now to increase your mining rate. Oh. Okay. Well, no, I don't want to do that on like YouTube. I'll do that afterwards. I don't need people all up in my business. Oh, it's these guys. Yeah, I'm like, Dude, I'm a very early participant. Until now, I am still waiting. Do you see these three people familiar? Yes, they are amazing, my love. Okay. Yeah, the mining rate halved. If you were the earlier, the better, and that's basically that goes for pretty much all of crypto. I don't know if any of you guys are in Smartcoin or Jade protocol, but they've got a lot of things going on there. Have you seen this update earlier? Hold on, give me a sec. Give me a sec. I'll be right back. Turn that music back on. Stuff always helps. Maybe helps me feel better. Stuff Alka-Seltzer. It's bubbly. Anyways, yeah, this stuff always makes me feel better. Okay. Who's Jeremy Hogan? What's up, Michael O2? How you doing, man? It's been a while. Been a while. It's been a while. I wish I had Aaron Luce's voice. Do I have my own spot? No, I wish. That's part of the reason I'm like, my videos aren't that great. Because I have to be all quiet. I have to walk on eggshells pretty much, but it's not too bad. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool around here, actually. It's pretty nice. So this is great, though. I'm actually very excited about this. I'm glad that they're moving forward. Pi Network, there we go. I'm glad they're moving forward and not, letting it die. I mean, these guys are from, I think they're from Harvard or somewhere. Stanford. They're either from Harvard or Stanford, and it's run on the Stellar network. So they might have ties to Stellar. I mean, I'm not sure. I did have someone like in one of my YouTube videos. He commented. He said, "Hey, Mike, just letting you know, I think Pi is going to be a big thing." And I'm like, dude, it's not out of the question. There's a lot of people who hold Pi and have been mining Pi. It could be one of those decentralized, things that gets pushed in the future, since there's so many freaking holders of it. It's a stellar fork. Stellar fork, dude. Set your notifications to mine Pi. It doesn't notify me every day anymore. I don't know if that's the same as you guys, but okay, so what a week. New mainnet updates. Dude, that's freaking awesome. Thanks for telling me about that, man. I'm stoked about that. I've been mining it almost every single day for like the last 2 years. And all it takes is a click. You don't have to worry about it, nothing. Just click it. Okay, I'm here. It just needs your attention. It needs to know you're not a robot. Give me a sec. Yeah, it's been getting cold. It's been stormy. Today's actually a nice day, but it's been stormy here the last few days. Cold and stormy here in California, SoCal. Space Monkey Mafia. Thoughts on tokenomics? What tokenomics are you talking about? And no, I don't hold SafeMoon. I mean, as far as I know, SafeMoon's just another meme coin. Just, I think it basically came out of all the Doge hype. You sent me a reminder. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I've got Do Not Disturb on for my stream, but I'll remember to check it afterwards. Thanks, Legendary. Supercomputer, brand new NFT project. Make videos of staking all the projects I love. Pretty much, like, almost all anything I have in my portfolio is being staked right now. Almost. Well, I've got Stellar and XRP on my Nexo, in my Nexo wallet, earning me interest. Algorand just automatically earns you interest, I think, if you have it in the Algorand wallet, at least. I'm pretty sure it does. Cosmos, I have staking from my ledger. Chainlink is on my Nexo wallet. And honestly, I wouldn't recommend doing the Nexo thing, because I'm locked in now. I can't even move my shit unless I pay him back my loan. So I was waiting for this bull market, you know, so I could pay back my loan. But it's going to take a little longer. So, but I'm not earning enough interest on Nexo to where it's even worth it. So I kind of regret doing that. But I'm sure there's good platforms that you can earn better. Like Celsius, I couldn't get into Celsius. There's something wrong with my wallet. Otherwise, I would have done Celsius. Alka-Seltzer in the morning. It's beautiful. Okay. Know if the proposal from Valhill Capital to the Fed is legit. Dude, you guys are bringing up so much random stuff that I don't even know what you're talking about. I don't know. I've never heard of Valhill Capital. Oh yeah, on top of the Christmas tree. I don't know. I don't think so. I would have noticed that. Will be launched as an enclosed mainnet. Pioneers only. No exchanges. Oh, okay. So it's a very decentralized thing to where. So I guess I'm guessing there will be like marketplaces and stuff like that pop up. Online marketplaces. So it reminds me, IQ reminds me of Apple. It's just it's a self economy, like it's enclosed economy where only Apple products work with Apple products mostly. And if you're in, you're in. Like you got to make a big choice if you want to get out of the Apple ecosystem. That's a big choice. And then going into it is a big choice as well. Because if I wanted to go into Apple, I would have to buy an iPhone, you know, and a Mac probably. At least. Should you buy some Crow? I don't know, bro. Let's take a look at Crow. We'll find out. I mean, I think in the long term it's going to do well, but it did very well the last few months, and it might be cooling down. It might be cooling down. I think it just got listed on Coinbase. Or it might have been listed for a while. I forget. I've never bought or held Crow, which is crypto.com. It was on KuCoin. See, it ran up sharply. No, I would not buy it at this point, no. See, it's trying to get above, but it's not. On the weekly, it's trying to get above that support. It's probably going to fall back at least down to like 35 cents. Yeah, it's going to come down more, in my opinion. I got to stop saying that. It's annoying. Yeah. I mean, it'll probably come down. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it'll probably come down like more. It's in that good little green zone, but it could definitely come down. See how it almost exactly respects that fib retracement? I got to really learn about this stuff. Now, you know, I bet it'll come down like somewhere in this zone here. So, or, you know, if they have any more announcements, everyone's talking about them. So if we do start our bull season again, like crypto.com will be one of the new places, the new coins that the noobs buy. Because now all the noobs, or anyone who's not even in crypto, they know about crypto.com. So yeah, this could pull like a Shiba Inu, which goes, and then it kind of goes sideways for a few months, and then it goes again. You know, go up to $2. But then let's take a look at the Coinbase one. Dude, I like this freaking music, man. This is so cool. Can you guys hear the background music? Oh yeah, so they just got listed on Coinbase. Wonder where they've been listed on the longest. Kraken? Is Kraken there? Bittrex. Maybe Bittrex. Yeah. Oh, they've been on Bittrex for a long time. Yeah, look at that. Damn. Wow. It already did come down a good 60%. So it might just go sideways from here. I wouldn't want to buy it until I confirmed it could go sideways in between these averages here. These moving averages. That would be very bullish. If it kept going sideways in between these moving averages, it would be very bullish. Because it would most likely pop out again and then create some sort of bull flag, or it just could go on a tear. Yeah, so it does look like it's in the middle of a retracement. It's kind of like you don't really want to, but at the same time, look, it started right here. It's decently low. Could come down a little more. I don't know, but it's just gone so much already. But it has sold off already, you know? Look what happened here. Let's take, for example, back here. It kind of did the same thing, but then it didn't really go down too much. And then I believe like this is when the announcement was made. Sometime in early November, I think. Or it might have been this day. Yeah, early November is when they changed they just went on a marketing campaign like no other. I mean, they have the best marketing campaign in crypto right now. I mean, they changed the Staples Center to Crypto.com Arena for the next 20 years, a $700 million deal. And they have a commercial with a freaking Oscar-winning actor, Matt Damon. I mean, that's huge. And I Uber around LA, and their billboards are all over the place. Crypto.com. I've been taking pictures of them. What? Black Swan event? Who knows, man? We're gonna get something, dude. We're gearing up for a rough 2022, I think. Doji on Mars, man. I don't know. Yeah, a lot of people. Isn't that Elon? The ticker Elon? How do I feel about Meta Hero? I don't know much about it, but I know the chart has been looking good on that one. And it's a Metaverse play, so see if it's retraced. I've heard it's good. Look at the chart. The chart looks good. I've heard it's pretty good. And when you look at the chart, it looks like it's probably going to go sideways for a while. I would let it cool down. It does, you know, it looks like it's a bullish chart though. Looks like it's relatively new. Okay. Pie season continues. Even California is getting cold. Check out the Pie home screen to learn more and set your. Yeah, they must have just came out with this because I guess I haven't mined Pie for a few days. They haven't been sending me reminders. I don't know why. It just reached its 1,000-day anniversary. We're here now because of all the love and support pioneers have shown us over these last few years. There's a big Pi community. I think especially from outside of the U.S. It's really more of a global thing, which does kind of fit in with, you know, the whole globalization of crypto and banking the unbanked and all that. I mean, how easy is it to download MinePi, the MinePi app on your phone, and click it every day, and then hope that it turns into something valuable someday? It's easy. So there's a lot of hope out there. Look at all these likes here. 11.3 thousand likes. That's huge. They got almost 1 million followers. Now, one does wonder, how many of those are real? Are those all real people? Because they've definitely made enough money on advertisement that they could pay to make fake accounts. There's no doubt about that. I'm not trying to challenge their integrity, but at the same time, a lot of that kind of stuff does happen in crypto. And they did put out advertising on their app that you had to go through an ad every time you go through it. So if everyone's clicking on it like once a day, they're clicking on that ad once a day, and they're getting paid a lot of money for all those clicks. Juno. Oh, wait, Juno? Oh, Juno is on the Atom ecosystem. A lot of people talking about the Atom ecosystem. Chainlink, man. People, you know what? I want to show you. Zcash has been holding up well, and I'm waiting for it. I just sold most of it so that I could buy lower. I'm waiting for it to drop to not that much more. Look at that. But if Bitcoin dumps or crashes even more, could come down, you know, maybe to 125. But look, that's nice, dude. It's on the bottom there. I don't know. I had a Spaces about Zcash the other day, and it was really good. It was nice. But see what happened here? It just totally crashed through any kind of support that it had up here. It just went, then it went up. It went down a little more. That's why I'm thinking, like, it could still come down. and it could start accumulating around here, or even down here, right here, like 120, something like that. But then again, who knows, you know? Maybe it'll make a double bottom down here. Go up, because there's a lot of attention on it right now. And privacy coins could be the next big thing. One of the next big things, because people are going to want their privacy. Stinky Linky, let's take a look at that. I'm not a big fan of the chart right now, but it's not too bad. It's been on Kraken the longest. Ugh, that's an ugly chart. Yuck. What the F? That looks disgusting. That's the opposite of what you want to see. It makes me sick that I bought a whole bunch of it a few weeks ago. Around $30. Yeah, I bought like, I think I was buying like right around here. A few months ago, actually. But it's okay. Still in a long-term uptrend. Oh no, Kraken. Maybe it's been on Poloniex the most. Bitfinex? Maybe it's been on Bitfinex. No. Either way, I want to take a look at XRP. This one, I'm just waiting. I mean, it's got to do something. See, it did the same thing. Same chart as Chainlink. It's an M. It should be a W if we want it to go up. It doesn't look bullish, but at least, just like I was saying, we have till the mid-December till it reaches the inflection point here. And it could pop from there. Because this is a third tap right here. 1, 2, 3. See those wicks, right? You got 1, 2, and this doesn't count because it didn't hit. I don't know. And 3. So we could go on a massive run from within the next few weeks. XRP could really just rip, you know, just rip upwards. Looks like it wants to. As long as it doesn't come lower than here, you know, as long as it doesn't go under 50 cents, we're good. We should be fine. If it comes under here, we're fucked. Excuse my language. NFTs in the future, it'll get big. Yeah, we're in an experimental phase where basically the ones who are like benefiting from NFTs right now are the artists and the creators of the collections, like all the crypto punks, all those like rip-offs or copycats. The only people who are really benefiting from them are the ones who create them. They're making a ton of money. And all they have to do is be creative and create a collection of NFTs and then get some hype around it. People pay them directly for the NFTs. They sell thousands of them because people think they're going to go nuts and they're going to sustain themselves and they're going to be in the market for a long time. And some of them will, but not most of them. That's for sure. Going to get the Aqua airdrop from XLM. I don't know how to. How do I do that? I've heard a little bit about it, but not much. Most of my stellar is freaking. Yeah, most of my stellar is on Nexo. Stupid. I can't believe I took a loan out. I'd never taken a loan out in my life. I just tried it, and then I have to wait till crypto blows up to pay it off. Oh, is this it? Aqua? Yeah, Looks like it. I mean, I'll participate if I can. I don't know if I'll be able to, unfortunately. I'll retweet this. Oh. So you need to buy at least one Aqua token and put it in your Stellar wallet. Okay. I see. So you can go to this aqua.network/airdrop2 and then put your address in with your Stellar in it, and then it'll tell you if you're eligible. And most likely you're not eligible until you have Aqua in your Stellar wallet already, because I'm guessing it's built on the Stellar blockchain. So before January, which is coming up within the next few weeks, January 15th. So you have a month. All right. So you have a month. Go buy some Aqua. It's called Aquarius, or no, it's called aqua.network. I don't know how much they are. Probably not too much, but maybe, who knows? It depends on the total supply and the circulating supply and the market cap. You just buy at least one Aqua, which is not that many. Put it in your Stellar wallet along with your Stellar, and you will be eligible. But you need to have over 500 XLMs, lumens. You need to have over 500 lumens. Oh, cool. Wes Spencer. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Wes Spence. Oh, cool. Okay. I'm guessing you're talking about this one. So what I'll do is I'll add that to my watch later. And I'll watch it later. Thanks, man. Hopefully we'll moon and we can go live on a tropical island and ignore the madness until they... wouldn't that be awesome? If we just didn't have to follow all the rules. Just create our own rules. No, I don't know who Vayat is. Vayat. BC in the Matrix, what's up? Thanks, man. Thumbs up. A lot of things look the same except on BCC pairs. Yeah, so alts do look better. We'll go to total 2 and see what that looks like. That's the market cap without Bitcoin in it. Total 2. It's the total market cap excluding Bitcoin. And look, I mean, it basically kind of looks like Bitcoin's chart. It looks just like Bitcoin's chart, to be honest. If it can stay above here, it'll be good. And it looks like it wants to. It's closing above, on the weekly. We only have one more day left. If the crypto total market cap closes above the 50-day move or the 20-day moving average, damn, that's very bullish. We could see alt season sooner than people think, but I don't know if it will. Most likely, it'll come and crash and then go sideways between these two. the 50-day moving average and the 20-day moving average. But if it closes above and stays above, that's really bullish. So we'll see in the next few weeks. Let's take a look at the total market cap. Total. It pretty much looks the same. Actually, no, look. So alts are looking better than Bitcoin, guys. And I'm sure most of you know that already, but look. It does look, it wants to come down. And that's only because Bitcoin's dragging it down. People are selling their Bitcoin and putting it into alts. That's what's happening. That's clear. So maybe they're not selling it into USD, especially since people are starting to realize that inflation is here and it's here to stay, and it's getting worse and worse. Maybe instead of just selling their Bitcoin into USD, they're selling their Bitcoin into other alts like Ethereum. Ethereum's a big one. When we take a look at ETH BTC, we can see that it's only going up. Look at that. It's just beautiful. And if it just comes and closes above these points right here, we're looking great. Because that was basically an ascending triangle, and then it popped, which was a further confirmation of bullish action and hopefully bullish continuation. Look at that. Beautiful. It looks like it wants to skyrocket, to be honest. Damn. It's resting on support. It could even come lower and will still be bullish. Wow. One aqua. See, everyone's talking about Trustline. I don't even know what it is. So why don't I finally ask Google, WTF is Trustline? Okay, so welcome to Trustline. Oh, it's not healthcare, is it? Is this it? The DeFi standard? Oh, it's on Flare Network. Okay. Okay, so they're creating a stable coin on the XRP ledger and the Flare network. They're seeking. Oh, they want to build a crypto credit network. Okay. Probity. I don't know. Is that probity? What is probity? Yeah, I don't even know what most of this stuff is here. Haven't been following it too much. Is that Cardano? Alright, there's just all this shit I don't even know what the hell it is. Trustline Credit Network Smart Contracts. Okay, they're not gonna like put it in a okay, fine. Maybe I should just XRP Trustline. Let's see if there's any articles on it. I still don't know what it is or. There's so many freaking airdrops coming out. Elysian Trustline. I don't fucking know. I'll look later. It's too much. Like, I don't know what the fuck it is. All right. It's hurting my brain. I think like most of them look the same. Go to crypto bubbles again. Gala, man, Gala had a great week, great month. It's having a great day. Come on, you stupid thing. Come on. There we go. Let's see. On the day, Hex is up. Thank goodness. Oh, my Hex is almost up. I gotta unstake my Hex, and then I'll be able to sell half of it for Ethereum, I guess, or U.S.D. maybe. Maybe I'll just put it in USDC and wait for this bear trend to be over. XRD. Oh, EXRD is a good one too. Radix. That one's probably going to keep going up. Quant's been doing well. We'll go on the week. So ones that have survived this little bear trend here is Gala, Convex Finance, BitTorrent. BitTorrent's up quite a bit. Let's see what's doing the best out of this whole year. Gala up 217,000% in 1 year. Luna's been having a great year. Matic's been having a great year, but it looks like SHIB has had the best year of all. SHIB. Can we do like decade? Probably not. Oh. Because it would probably be Bitcoin. But that's pretty cool though. Cadena's been doing great this year. I think this is like the top 100 or something. Anyways. Yeah, Mana's had a great year. So, what do you think will have the best year next year? 2022. Maybe it'll be XRP. Stellar XR Lobster. Yeah, I've got Lobster. I hold at least 500 XLM. And do they give you like a 1-to-1 ratio? Is that what it is? So the more, I'm guessing, the more you hold, the more you get. You get about 8 Aqua per XLM. So having at least one in your wallet would be easy. Aqua. Don't know what Aqua does, but Aquarius. Yeah, having at least one is super easy. They just want proof that you have acknowledged the Aqua network, that you've like been there, you've actually bought some, and most people will buy more than one if they're gonna buy any. Been playing with NFTs on Theta, dude. NFTs on Theta. There's like this one called Pineapple Society, Digital Asset Network. He likes them. But it's a total ripoff of Don't Buy Me, like a literal ripoff. But they do have a pretty cool NFT set. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty cool. And Digital Asset Network, he's big. Like he has a lot of followers. He has a big community. Dude, really, Legendary Dave? Wow. What was the so Legendary Dave says he's been playing with NFTs on Theta. He sold one for $4,500. He only paid $130 for it. What was it? What kind of NFT was it? Aqua's been doing drops since August. That's probably why it says Airdrop 2 on here. Yeah, it says Airdrop 2. Lumen Swap. Oh, you sold your pineapple? It was pineapples. Damn, bro. You probably caught the top. I'm sure they're not going to keep going up. They could. But I'll bet anything that Digital Asset Network, the YouTube channel, I'm sure he got it pumped. Like he got a lot of eyes on it. He probably made a ton of money if he sold his pineapples. Yeah, I remember Back to the Future too. Sorry, man. Yeah, I mean, if you make any, well, you have to make good ones. Like that's the thing. They have to be like good NFTs, and they have to have a project that people are interested in. Turn off my coffee maker. The previous airdrops from Aqua, I was receiving around 17,500 Aqua. Cool. And it's only a $7 million market cap, so Aqua could definitely go really high. It could go up a lot. Yeah, Metaverse coins will probably do very well in 2022, especially because people want to get off of the centralization of Facebook, you know? There's going to be a lot of decentralized Metaverse projects that are going to do very well. Yeah, I heard of Boson Protocol. I have heard of it. I kind of want to buy some, but at the same time, I don't really want to buy anything because I'm just tired of buying like all these different projects. I need to start consolidating more. Oh, it's low enough to like maybe start buying. It does look like a decent double bottom. If it does go above this, if it goes above this point and it closes up there, that would be a great time to buy Boson Protocol. But yeah, I have reason to think that there's a bullish case for this. I've kind of looked into it. It looks interesting. Oh, it's Aqua's at 40 million? It said 7 million. Or I thought it did. Maybe not. It doesn't. I don't really care that much, but because I still don't know exactly what it is. I'm so out of it right now. Aqua, let's see. It says it's 7 million here, but fully diluted is 331 million. So like if everything was in circulation, or no. I forgot what that means exactly. Oh, if the max supply was in circulation, yeah. Anyways, what's up, Theta? Jade Protocol. That's a good one to cover. Man, Jade has just been on fire, dude. Like fire, man. The 15 most traded Rebase tokens in the last 24 hours. Jade is number one. It's even more traded than Olympus Stout. More traded than Wonderland Time. I bought Jade and staked it the first day it came out. And yeah, they're raising a lot. They've got 100 million in the treasury, 350 million total market cap. So, and I mean, we could go to the website right now and see the APY is ridiculous on it. And it has been for the last month since it's been around. And it's part of the smart coin ecosystem. It's oh wow, the APY came down. It's only 107 million %, which is still really high. But no, it was, I mean, just a few weeks ago, it was at 10 billion %. So yeah, it's been coming down. This is great though. I've just been staking my Jade, just holding it, letting it build up, just like my Kalima. And so they're going to do a screenshot, and they have this wallet reputation score. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Hey, Alex, if I was going to consolidate my coins, dude, I would put it into Ethereum, XRP, Chainlink, Stellar, Zcash, probably Dash, and then what else? Maybe some Bitcoin, to be honest. Just the really safe ones, some of the really safe ones. Now, if you're asking me if I was going to consolidate to make more money, which I would still make with all the ones I would consolidate, but if there were like low cap coins, I don't know, man. I think I would buy some more Clima, stake it. I would probably buy some Digibyte. Probably some Digibyte would be good. By the way, what is the Digibyte chart looking like? Maybe some Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Those haven't done anything yet. Whoops. But honestly, my head isn't too clear right now, to be honest. So ask me another time. I'm like, got some kind of like head cold or something. Feels weird. Look at that. Ooh, that's ugly. That doesn't look good. But it does look like it might have bottomed out. We need to go Digibyte and like maybe KuCoin. No, KuCoin, they just listed it, I think. Bitfinex. It's probably been on Bitfinex much longer. I mean, if it holds here, it could go up from here, but looks like it wants to go down some more. I would say probably down to 2 cents. It could still come down 50 fucking %. It's part of my language. But I bought this and like it was supposed to hold and it didn't. I don't know. Man, it looks like it was gonna go up. Hey, but you never know. This thing could really blow up. It could spike up from here. If it closes around this area, I could start curving up from here. Who knows? I don't know, man. Yeah, ALGO is a good one. ALGO is a good one. I mean, you can't go wrong with ALGO. That's still very underrated. And we could still see a Solana type run with this someday. I don't know when. I think people don't like it as much because of the tokenomics, but in the long term, I think it'll be one of the survivors since it was created by MIT alumni. And the chart just kind of doesn't lie. It just goes up steadily, slowly but steadily. It's doing the same kind of thing it did up here. Pump, go sideways, drop, go sideways, pump, go sideways, drop. Probably go sideways. Maybe a little more drop, possibly. But this is a pretty decent, this is a strong support. This is a strong support. Honestly, ALGO is probably a good buy. It might go, let's see. Yeah, I mean, it came down to this support. Closed above it. It wicked down so many times here. It wicked up hard. It might be a great time to buy ALGO. Because it'll most likely not come down too much more. At the lowest, I think it'll probably come to like 130. Dude, I should be starting to buy more ALGO. That's what I should do. It still might come down more, but yeah, we don't always want to look at it like from a diagonal perspective. We want to look at it from a perspective of horizontal perspective. Somewhere there, horizontal. Yeah, pretty much right where it's at right now. If it closes above this, which it looks like it wants to, it might start to create a floor right here and go up again. Or it could curve down like it did back here. It could curve under, kind of create a third tap on this diagonal line. Sometime in like, if it wants to do the same thing, yeah, it could just come down and probably doesn't have much to do. It's probably a good time to start dollar cost averaging, but not making a big buy on this. But you know, who knows what the hell's going to happen in 2022, man. Take another loan? I will not do that, dude. I hate owing. And I took a $4,000 loan out. It's already up to, I owe more than $5,000 on it now. Stupid, man. I'll never do that again. It's just not safe in my humble opinion. Not safe. So something that's encouraging though, that makes me not think that it'll just take its time, is that it spiked higher than the last spike. That's always encouraging because it means it has further up to go. A lot of times these things want to chase the spikes. When you see these wicks, either up or down. So look what happened here. For example, we see a wick down. It goes up from there, meaning a lot of people think that that wick was the bottom. It clearly was not the bottom. So it wicked up, came down, and then it boom, it wicks down even lower than this wick. But we see this wick here, and that was the bottom. And it tapped it 3 times, and then it went whoosh, right back up. I would guess it's probably coming back down. It could come down to this wick. It likes to chase wicks. So it might come down to this wick first, which would be like right down here. It would wick down below this support, and then the body would close above the support. And then it would come and chase this wick, and then boom, upwards. But it wouldn't be for a few months. So I think there's the next 3 to 4 months, maybe the next 2 to 3 months would be a good time to dollar cost average into ALGO. And I'll keep that in mind. I'm going to keep, because ALGO is not going to go anywhere besides up in usage. You would buy Track. I think Track has a little more sideways to go, but it just got listed on Coinbase and it blew up, and then it came down and has been just chilling for a while. Yeah, it's been actually came down more than 60%. Yeah. But look at that chart. Smart money is accumulating. Smart money is accumulating this. It might have more to go, but then it could just fly after tapping this 20-day moving average. And it looks like it's going to close above it. So Track might be a good buy. Track could be a good buy, actually. I don't know. Yeah, it's making like a perfect descending triangle. On the weekly. Yeah, it's you're right, dude. I mean, it looks pretty like a good buy. Remember last time I showed you guys Zinfan, and I said it's a good buy? A few days later, it went up like 25-30% because it was in the same exact shape, same exact pattern. And I think I was checking it out on this chart, maybe not. But it did, it blew up like from here. Yeah, it was, see? Same exact pattern. And I was like, dude, I need to buy some of this shit. Because it came out, and then it went boom. But then it sold right back off. Right off again. And so it looks like it's trying to bottom out here. Yeah, okay. It's actually good. Could be a good time to get on the Zinfan train again, because now we can kind of move our goalposts here, and it shows that it's still in a downwards channel, which is usually bullish, and it's kind of at an inflection point, sort of kind of creating a double bottom, but not quite. If it closes above this wick, that's decent, and then it might create a little floor first, but then it could go up from there. Yeah, see, it did touch this like almost touched it, this inflection point, and then it went right back up. See, these little things matter on the charts. Honestly, if Zinfan goes down anymore, it's not good for Zinfan. It's not good for Zinfan. Let's see. What chart can we look at? Dude, Bitfinex has like all the coins the earliest. Gosh, you guys remember when it was so low? I was buying Zinfan back here. No. It was more like in July. It was back here. But it was still much lower than it is. If it comes lower though, that's not good. This might be the best point to buy some Zinfan. Yeah, you see that? It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop again. Some Zinfan. See that? Okay, so anyways, right there. Looks like it's gonna pop again, guys. This is a great point. I should just put a fucking bunch of money into XTC right now. Look at that, dude. Dude, I mean, it's gonna go at least to like probably the top right here. It's probably gonna go up to like 9 cents. Good 20-25% gain from here, and then just sell it right when it hits the top here. And then if it builds up against the top and goes up, then we're good. That's the end. And then it'll probably come back. You know, we probably have till sometime in mid-January. We still have probably a month before it really blows up, but then it might not even, who knows? But this looks like a decent buy, to be honest. It looks like a decent buy. Although it's could scrape along the bottom a little more. It's a good time to start dollar cost averaging this one, I think. But yeah, let's go back to track. I recently sold most of my track. But I really need to buy. I need to buy some more track though, because smart money's buying it. Bittrex. Okay, so on the daily, yeah, it looks good, dude. It looks really good, dude. Shit, son. Oh, but it could drop again. It could drop more. But I guess you would want to, let me see, go from here. Yeah, actually, that makes more sense. So we all thought it was gonna... Nope. Holy crap, dude. Huh. If we just go from the bodies themselves, we could go from... But to be honest, you really want to kind of look at the weekly. Dude, this thing is going to do something, and I don't think it's going to go down. And it's at support. No, look at the horizontal support. Which I would put at like right around there. It's at an inflection point. Hold on. Yeah, I don't like that. Doesn't look... Dude, that looks nice though right there. Easy. The next few days, it's gonna pop. Easy. It's gonna pop. Let's bookmark that for later. I might just put it like, I might just throw $1 million into it today. It's like play money, paper trading. Now I think it does look like it's gonna go up. Okay, hold on. Let's make it more precise. Let's put a little arrow. That's easier. Right there. Oh, yeah, that's a big arrow. If I want to do a trade, dude, thanks for bringing that up, man. Oh, let's go to the 4 hour. I like when people show me some really good shit. Some good shit. It'll probably go, you know, up to like, not too much, but just as a pop. That's a good pop though. We'll see. And then put some sell orders, you know, around, what is it at right now? 106. I don't know. At least, I mean, it'll probably go to at least like 140 by now. Sell in a week, you know, or within a week, or just put a sell order up for like 140 or something like that. Easy money right there. Damn, bro. I might just do that. And then we'll come back a week later and then I'll be like, I lost all my money, guys. And you guys will be mad at me. Mike, what? You said it was easy money. I lost I lost everything. Okay, we'll go to Lend me some money. I don't have any money. I barely have any money, man. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm so much more broke than I was a year ago. I have like less than half the money I had a year ago. Because crypto hasn't, like, my crypto portfolio hasn't done as much as I was expecting. Now, if I was in Metaverse, yeah, I'd be rolling in dough right now, but I'm not really in Metaverse. So yeah, we're saying like the mid December track will probably explode by then, and that's not even very far from now. I mean, it could blow up tomorrow. Who knows? Volume is still very high. Track, baby. All right, you said look at the 4 hour. I will. That's even nice. It's clean, dude. That's what I like about it. It's clean. And it's really budging up against the top, and it has been for a little while. The inflection point is in a few days. And it'll probably go to at least this point, which is $1.33. So what is that? Maybe a 25% gain, 20% gain. If you put enough money in it and then sell, and then put your sell orders, you know, around 130, 133, I think I might try that, and I'll come back in a few days and I'll tell you guys how I did. It just needs to tap this support. Go to the 4 hour, you said, so let's take a look back here. To be safe, we'll just put it right there. Yeah, it's come a long way, you know. It probably has maybe a little lower to go. But it is on Coinbase. Keep that in mind. Yeah, when we look at the weekly, it's a little better. Yeah, right there. That's a good, looks like a decent support. It was respecting it. It was actually being rejected. It's been rejected multiple times at that support, which was back then it was resistance. And then it hit, and then this is on the weekly, so it took maybe a week or so to get above it, and then boom. And then of course, Coinbase announces their announcements, you know, at the right time, so that it just blows up from there. But some of their announcements they don't time them very well. One more week. Yeah. Honestly, we have like a few days. I have a few days. I'm going to do it. I'm going to put some money in it and then make a trade, and yeah. Cuz what's his name? Greg Kidd he's putting his money in track. That's a nice clean falling wedge. And it's going to hit support. That's perfect, dude. Yeah. And for long term too, it might not go lower. Oh, you know, who knows though? I mean, it could come lower. It could come down to this point. But that would be kind of bearish. That'd be like more of a pump and dump. But I don't think this is exactly a pump and dump. And it is resting on top. It's resting on top of this 20-day moving average right now. It's a great time to buy it. Looks like. I can't tell for sure, but yeah, DeFi. I was putting money in a lot of DeFi stuff, and DeFi has just taken a back seat to the Metaverse tokens. Alex. Oh, dude, yeah, Alex, all of those coins have been really kind of hurting. Yeah. Hey, it's all right though, you know, our day will come. We'll have probably a much better 2022, I think. hopefully. So just sell all your money, put it into this right here, and then sell it once it pumps. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, I think it'll go to like at least $1.34 or something like that. On the daily. Yeah, like right here. $1.40. Maybe a little less to be safe. Maybe $1.36, somewhere around there. Yeah. But the safest play, I think, would be just kind of, yeah, that red wick. I would just put it at $1.30. But then again, hey, that's a freaking risky thing to do, is try to put a lot of money in something expecting it to go up, and then you got to think, like, a lot of people are doing the same thing, expecting it to go up. So the bots or algorithms might not let it go up when everyone's expecting it to go. At the same time, it's about to hit a really big, strong, decent, like, support, well-respected support. Or at least it was a resistance turn support. Dwindling down. I mean, it's probably kind of, hold on, let me see. It might even be on the top of a falling wedge pattern, retesting it. It's really tough doing this on my phone. I'm like, oh, man. Yeah, I mean, if you want to do it another way, you could do it like this, and it's actually retesting the top. So that's another inflection. That's a better inflection point, really. Yeah, on the, I think it's the daily. Yeah, on the daily, it's actually kind of testing the top of it, really. I'm gonna make this a little thinner so we can see more precisely. Make this a little thinner too. Yeah. So, like, really though, we can go to the top of this thing. And then I can see how some traders would think that, yeah, it's like retesting the top of this pattern. And then the inflection point is in a few days, like 2 days, literally. But I don't think you're supposed to do it like that. You're supposed to do it from the fall, all right? So it spikes up. You're supposed to do it from the next spike. And not this one, I don't think. The next big spike. Right here. And then you come and you test it off of there. And yeah, it's at the inflection point, like tomorrow, basically. Basically, like, that's tomorrow. So it might dip a little more. Tomorrow would be a good buy at just under $1, maybe. So set buy orders for under $1. It's on Coinbase, so it'd be easy to do. We would want to check the Coinbase chart first. And you could do all this. You could just buy right now. Well, I'm talking to myself, so keep that in mind. I could just buy right now. Oh, yeah, it's a tough chart to. It's too new. It's too new. But anyways, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm try it out. Oh, no, the only thing though that could really, you'd have to put a sell order, a stop loss, like under 98 cents or something. I'd put the stop loss around 95 cents. Anyways, Frontier. Oh, trying to remember what the ticker was. Oh, Front? Is that it? Yeah, I mean, it'll probably wick down to 48 cents or so. But I don't know anything about it. It's kind of a relatively like new coin. Dude, what happened here, man? Look at that. Someone bought a shit ton of it, and then the bots just sold it. Who bought that, man? That was a big buy. Wow. Wow. That was a big, big buy. Ooh, yeah, it is at the bottom, like, of this chart. The very tippy, the very bottom. But it's hitting. Yeah, nah, I don't know about this one. But that's on the Bitcoin chart. I do like the track one, man. But there's probably a lot of them like that that are gonna bounce. Even Ethereum, ETH USD. Let's take a look at that real quick. Yeah, see, I'd put this little. It's right above that line too. That little circle, mid-October. It'll probably kind of be like, boom. The inflection point. Boom. I tweeted that out too. So mid-December. Like in 2 days. This thing could, Ethereum could bounce nicely. All right, you know, maybe it comes under and then hits the top and then comes down again. I don't know. XLM's a CBDC for Ukraine, and Smartlands is receiving their Ukraine license this month for tokenizing assets. I think I've heard of Smartlands. I might be thinking of Borderlands, the video game. Yeah, but Ethereum looks pretty good. Ethereum could blast off in the next few months, or the next few days or weeks. We'll see. I'm gonna just in case, put this here. And then I'll probably be wrong. That's what happens. I think I'm like so convicted of these things, and then I end up being wrong. But anyways, yeah, track does look good, dude. Thanks for bringing that one up. For a short-term trade, at least. Short-term play. It looks pretty good. Now against Bitcoin. Yeah, that's looking good too. Yeah, look at that right there. Yeah, looks good. Against Bitcoin as well. Yeah, right there. Might come a little lower. Yeah, it wouldn't come too much lower. So seems to be like track looks pretty good right now. And it's in a huge... Oh, look. Is this the one I just drew? No, I had this drawn already. Yeah. So it probably just needs to tap that 100-day moving average right there. And then go bounce right off of it, maybe. So maybe it just needs a little longer to go before that average goes up a little. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, so before November 2022, ISO needs to be implemented. So before that, we should be flying. Are you talking about XLM or what? 4-hour RSI, MACD. Are you talking about Frontier? You gotta tell me what you're talking about now. But speaking of that, let's take a look at the RSI. Yeah. Yeah, but it's been RSI looks like it just needs to tap this dotted line. Track BTC. Yeah, it probably needs to go a little lower. Just one more quick dump, and then the wick, you know. I don't know, man. Yeah, we're in the middle of a bull market, so. And it got listed on Coinbase. Smart money's accumulating it. It's probably one to like just buy and hold. And it probably just needs to tap one more time, maybe. Maybe one quick dump. One quick wick back down to this, and then boom, it might even, we might like take a big massive dump in the next few days just to get it down to touch the 200 daily moving average. A big red wick followed by a green. I don't know, dude. I don't know. I guess it's just like wishful thinking that, I don't know. But anyways, let's go past the charts. Let's go somewhere else. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get going because I'm freaking not feeling it. I'm not feeling good today. So, you guys have a wonderful day. And we'll talk soon. Hopefully you guys are watching some of my videos. I've been putting a video out every morning. I'm not getting a lot of views, but something I did the other day, I remembered I needed to resubscribe to TubeBuddy, and that I'm able to, with TubeBuddy, I put the best keywords. They give me the best, like most searched keywords, and I just put those in my tags on my video. And today's video got 1,000 views already. So that's pretty good for me for lately. So I think TubeBuddy helps. If there's any other creators here or YouTubers, consider trying TubeBuddy for like a month and see if it helps get your videos more traction. Okay, so I'm going to get going. Have a great week. And I've been live streaming like once or twice a week, but I've been live streaming on Saturdays, so I'll definitely see you next week. All right, guys. Thanks for being here. Thanks for all the good info, and I'll talk to you guys later.